I'm about to go to work but I still have a baby.
Holding a bear but still having to look after the baby. I'm hosting a show but still have to look after the baby.
I'm dead but I still have to look after the baby.